Louis would be a good landmark, I guess. So there's St. Louis Cars and Coffee. It was at a classic car detailing place, allegedly anyway. We'll see what it looks like when we actually get there. And kind of decided that it'd be fun to go ahead and take the car there, see what's up. So we're gonna go ahead and get some gas. As you saw, we're pretty much out. We're like 38 miles to empty now, which is not ideal. Although, because of all the drag racing and doing a lot of pulls in the car, it thinks the miles per gallon is like 8. So I still have about a quarter tank, but we're gonna stop to get some gas on the Missouri side because it is, believe it or not, about almost 30 cents cheaper than it is on the Illinois side of the river, which is where I live. So we're gonna go and pop over there because it's on the way, and then we'll get on going. Supposed to get back up there, but for now, pretty nice out. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm in the car. Can't see over the barriers. Hilarious. Should be crossing the Mississippi River in a minute now. Let's see what we got. That's what I'm talking about. 93 here is 324 gallon, and over on the Missouri side, or on the Illinois side, it was 324 for regular, so pretty happy about that. Let's go ahead and fill up real quick. All right, let's get on over to Cars and Coffee. I generally only put in about 20 bucks these days at a time because I've come to the conclusion that car sits for too long of a time. It can sit for like a month before, or longer really, a month and a half, 2 months before I fully go through a tank. So I don't like letting my gas sit that long. So let's go ahead and get on out of here. Well guys, went ahead and made it here. So let's go ahead and got the Shelby all prepped up, ready to go. Let's go look around and see what we got. Pretty huge meet in all honesty. I wasn't expecting this. GT500 right there. Got Z06. C5 Z06 too. But this is a pretty legit area. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some footage. It's some really beautiful cars here. It's classic and everything right there. Wow. Check that thing out, it's clean. Let's go ahead and take a look around. Well, that just about does it, I think. Had a pretty good look around. So apparently they do this thing the second Saturday of every month. So definitely an awesome turnout. I did not realize there's this much stuff here. So this is pretty sweet, especially coming from North Carolina, where, to be honest, at least in Jacksonville area, there is not much anything like this. So this is awesome. But we're gonna go ahead and start the car and go ahead and head back to the house. So get on with the rest of our day. Definitely a good way to kick off the weekend. Well guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. Just kind of wanted to get out, you know, I feel like it's been a while, especially with COVID and everything. Like, I really haven't gone to really any car events. So, I mean, I went to Rockingham for racing, but like other than that, really have not done anything. So I wanted to get out a little bit, just kind of see the car world a little bit around here. So gonna try and do some more exploring of that. Shelby's running good, definitely enjoying it. But I don't know, I've been having some mixed feelings on the whole built motor thing. I don't know yet. There's a couple of different directions I think I want to go with it, and I don't know. It's weird because on the one hand, you know, I gotta have a super badass street car, but on the other hand, the power level it's at, I feel like is kind of about the end of the road as far as like streetable. You know, I can floor every once in a while horsepower on the highway. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are down below if you watch this far. But I'm kind of thinking, I'm in between two paths right now. So the first stage that I really want to take care of is for sure getting all the little stuff fixed. So namely, I want to get the rear diff realigned to figure out what the heck is going on with the gear wind. That's been driving me nuts. A nicer axle back, probably a Corsa. I like the loud of the Flowmasters, but the drone on the highway like it is now is just ridiculous. Not enjoyable for long-term driving. And then eliminate a little bit more of the NVH, basically ambient cabin noise, with going back to a bushing, the lower control arm in the rear. And that would kind of quiet up a lot of this stuff. That's going to kind of take care of like the enjoyability of like street driving the car. Once we get that done, I think the next phase is going to be doing the clutch. And get the clutch, get the shifter sorted out so it's a nice tight feeling shifter. I did wind up picking up the, it's called a torque limiter arms. I'll show you guys in the video when it comes time to install them. But it should really help out with our 1-2 lockout. And after that, this is where I get kind of stuck. So the path kind of forks. Either way, built motor or not, I'm either thinking to go E85. That would let us run the 2.4 pulley pretty safely and be about 800 to the wheel, but it's going to sound the same. Or I can do cams, stick with 93, so I can still enjoy like being able to have 93, and also be around 750, 800 to the wheel. So let me know what you guys think down below on that. I mean, both are going to happen eventually if I hold on to the car long term. With the built motor, it's going to have cams in it, so like I'm not really hurting myself in terms of what upgrades are going to be. If we did cam route, probably do crank sprocket and a new timing set, as well as the MMR secondary tensioners and chains, or AccuFab, one of the two. I haven't decided yet. But I don't know, guys. So that's kind of where my thoughts are with it. But I just want to make it like a nice, fun car. Like, I really feel like I haven't fully enjoyed the car like I used to when I first had it, and we'll see what happens. So the other thing I'm thinking about is maybe, I don't know, maybe my time with the S197 platform has come to an end. I don't know. I'm not really like excited about the car like I used to be. You know, I mean, I feel like I've kind of accomplished what I wanted to. I went 10s, and now I'm just, I don't know. I feel like I'm struggling to figure out what the point of the car is at this point. And I'm kind of itching to change up the platform a little bit. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm sure if you're following me for the Shelby, you're probably going to be against that, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is, by the way, this is like, I plan sometimes way too far out in the future in terms of like speculation. So stuff changes, I feel like month to month, week to week, and that's my current feeling. So anyway, like I was saying, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So we're going to go get back to the house, pull the car in, and that'll be it. So like I was saying, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.